Hi guys, not many people know about this awesome Autocad command. Cannot be found anywhere in the tools, and I only found out myself recently. And this is the OOPS command. That's right, OOPS, OOPS. So imagine you're working in AutoCAD and at one point you intentionally or accidentally erase something. You continue your work, and after some time you realize you deleted something and now want it back. Instead of using the undo and having to redo your work again, you can simply type in oops, hit enter, and it will bring back the items you deleted from your last erase command. So next time this happens to you, remember this video, type in oops, and it will bring back your deleted items from your last erase command. So here's a brief example. I'm drawing rectangles. At one point I erase this rectangle here, continue with my work, doing some more work, and now I want that second rectangle back. Type in oops, enter, and it's back.